listen to how irresponsibly they're using it. And it's 12 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock right now. Listen to how irresponsibly they're using this. And children are sleeping. There's people trying to go to their job. Listen to how irresponsibly this guy's using this. Listen to this man. Okay, let's be fair here. Yo, turn the siren off! We don't need to hear that noise! Why are you using a siren? Look at this crazy man. That guy's an idiot. Yo, I'm saying they need to arrest this man. I'm definitely putting charges against this man. I promise you. I will.